Hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, wherever you are. My eyes are red. It's been a long day. This is past 12, actually to 1 here in Nigeria. Okay, here's the deal. I want to start making videos in Igbo. I'm not a professional vlogger. I can't play on that stuff. I don't take myself that serious. But it's just something I'm passionate about. I'm passionate about speaking Igbo. I enjoy speaking Igbo, and I would like a station where people are actually comfortable speaking Igbo. I've met people that would like to speak Igbo. So I hope these videos will inspire someone to make more effort towards learning how to speak Igbo. I'm not an Igbo professor. My Igbo is probably a bit diluted, but you probably be picking some English words, maybe not some, maybe a bit too much. Well, you're probably picking some English words while I speak. But the idea is to, like I said, make people comfortable speaking Igbo. Just make speaking Igbo cool. Um, I'm, the thing is, a lot of people think when you speak Igbo, they look at you as someone local, but some people that are well educated, like have professors, like really well educated people, actually know how to speak Igbo. So, speaking Igbo doesn't make you a local person. Myself, I think I'm reasonably educated, and I enjoy speaking my Igbo. I'm quite comfortable speaking Igbo. I like it's like that's my ground state. I speak Igbo when I'm in my ground state. I enjoy speaking Igbo. Ụmụ njakịrị a na-amagasị na a na-amagasị n'Igbo anaghị ama n'oyibo. So I just want to be making these videos. It's been 4 years. Yes, I made a video in 2014. It's been 4 years since my last video. I hope to be more consistent. If I can shoot a video, one video every week, that would be awesome. I've been like this. I've been planning to do this since the past 2 years. I've rarely gotten the chance to do it. It's a bit of being lazy and busy. Probably more of being lazy. So yes, um, my Igbo. I'm from Anambra State. I'm from Alo. Alo in Idemili South Local Government. So you'll be picking Anambra Igbo when I speak. But I grew up in Enugu, so probably a sprinkle of Enugu Igbo too. But it doesn't matter. Just let's speak Igbo. Let's have fun. I don't have any topics in mind that I will be discussing. It's just anything that comes to my head. I'll talk about it in my videos. But it's the aim is just to speak Igbo. So I hope to have fun while making these videos. I hope you enjoy watching it too. I hope it inspires someone to speak Igbo. Ka anyị na-asụ Igbo, ka ndị na-asụ Igbo bawanye ịtago onwe anyụnwa ma asụ Igbo. Ụfọdụ ụmụazị na-eto mara asụ Igbo. So ihe a na-eche na bụ ihe na-eche kịta bụ ihe na-eche kịta bụ abụrụ mgbe anyị nọrọ ọzọ n'ụwa kedu ihe ya ma ụmụazị a na-eto. So let's speak Igbo. There's nothing, it doesn't make you a second class person or anything. So let's see how the coming weeks or days will go. I hope I'll be consistent. My first video should be out in the next few days, hopefully. So thank you. Dalon.